Okay, yeah, I'm recording now.
Okay, cool.
But the thing is, when I hold on, I'm recording. When I finish, I don't even know where to go. I wouldn't even know where to go to retrieve it.
I think when you're done, it will ask you if you want to save or what you want to do with it. Yeah, but I can see you're already recording anyway.
Okay, fair enough. Okay, yeah, let me start now, yeah? Okay, so what I'm going to do, can you guys all hear me, yeah? One second.
Yeah.
I need to wipe my head.
Yes, yes.
One second. Okay, yeah. So what I'm going to do is, yeah, I'm going to go through, let me just wait out of the way. I'm going to go through, I'm going to go through the trade from today that I called out. And there's, you know, these three here, NZD CAD, all JPY, and USD CHF, yeah? They're the ones that, but obviously, like, when I go through them, I want to explain to you why I call them out, yeah? So the first thing, so number one is, can you guys see this blue line?
Yeah.
Hey guys, if you guys can take off your yeah, okay, it's fine. Yeah, okay. So first things first, yeah. You know this blue line here? Sorry, guys. Can one of you guys pause your mute your audio, because I think somebody's outside.
Audio.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So this one here, the reason why I call that this trade is because look, one, it's guys, sorry, can someone put their thing on mute? Yeah. Okay. So the reason why I call this trade, guys, is because one, it's above this moving average. Yeah. Anytime the market or price is above this blue line here, it's signaling an uptrend. Yeah. Even if we zoom out, look. For instance, this uptrend. Look. This was in an uptrend for how long? Hey guys. Can one of you mute your thing, please? Honestly. Whose thing is it?
There's a way as a,
yeah, Anthony.
a host you can mute all the participants.
Okay. Yeah, perfect. Okay, yeah, that's good. Okay. So yeah, so what I'm going to do is, yeah. So this one here has been in an uptrend since the 8th of April. The 8th of April, yeah. The thing is, I want to take you guys off mute because I need to hear feedback. But then you guys are playing music in the background, man. Oh, one second, participants. Okay, let me take off. I'll take off Efosa. Yeah. Take off. Yeah. Efosa, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can.
Yeah, I'll take off Efosa and I'll take off Nelson as well. James as well.
Yes.
And then yeah, Nelson, yeah, good. And James, James, you can unmute yours as well. Yeah, perfect. Yeah, James, can you hear me, James? Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, cool. So yeah, so this one here, so this old USD on the 4 hour, guys. All I do every time I come into the market, yeah, there's two things I do. Yeah, I look to see where the market is either above or below this blue line. Yeah.
Okay.
Now when I came onto this chart, the market was around here. You know this long red candle? It was around It was around here. So what I do is, on the MACD, I'll show you. So look, let me just mark where it is on the chart. So this low here signifies this red area on the MACD. Yeah. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the lowest point within this red area and put a vertical line. So the lowest point will be this green candle.
I can't see your screen.
Oh, you can't see?
No, can't see your screen.
Oh.
Are you sharing?
Yeah, I'm sharing. Nelson, can you see my screen?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, yeah, yeah. Are you sure it's on your side?
Yeah, let me check and see. Okay, fine. Yeah, I can see it now.
Okay, perfect. Let me just go through that part again. My computer's moving. Okay. So guys, one sec. Let me just open this. Oh, come on. One sec, guys. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Perfect. Yeah. So guys, basically, yeah, because the market is above this moving average line, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Because it's above the moving average line, I know that I'm only looking for buys. Yeah. Now,
Okay.
in order for you to buy, so as an example, let me just get rid of this line. So in order for you to buy, you need to see a low. Yeah. So when you're buying, there's a term: buy low and you sell high. Yeah. Buy low and you sell high.
Okay.
Buy low and sell high. Yeah? No, you know what? Let me just unmute because someone's things making a lot of noise, man. So yeah, you buy low and you sell high. Yeah. So because it's above the 200 moving average, I'm looking for a buy. Now, how do I look for a buy? All I do is I go to my MACD 4C and I'm looking for these red areas. These red areas, let me get rid of this. These red areas, they signify the low points in the market. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Anytime I see this red, anytime I see these red areas here, so for instance, this red, and you have this red, yeah? So bearing in mind, guys, because I want to buy, because it's above the 200 moving average, I'm looking for a low. But then my low, the second low that I see, I need to see hidden divergence. So as an example, here, I see one low, and then I see a second low, yeah? So this red area here,
Mm-hmm.
yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Now, what I want, on the market, I do not want this low, so this low here, I don't want this low to go below this low. You understand? This market here.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. So I don't want this low to go below this low here, yeah? Now what I'm looking for, I want to see on the MACD that this low is lower than the previous low. So can you see how this low is lower? So on my MACD, this low is lower than this low. Yeah? But
Yeah.
yeah, but on my chart, that same low is higher than this low. Can you see?
Yeah.
Yeah, and that's what you call hidden divergence.
Imemmesa.
I don't know. I couldn't stop us.
Mm.
Can you guys hear? Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah. So on the market, I want so on the actual chart, I want this low to be higher than this low. However, on the MACD, I want this low to be lower than this though. So can you see how, look, can you see how from
Yeah.
here, from the lowest point of this low to the next low, can you see how it's going downwards?
Yeah.
Yeah. But on the actual, but on the chart, it's going upwards. Yeah. So it's going upwards. So that's called hidden divergence. Yeah. Now, when I find hidden divergence, here's the second part. I want to go 2 time frames below. Yeah. So on your MP4, you can only trade 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hour daily, and so on. Yeah. So because I spotted this divergence, this hidden divergence, 4 hour, look, I want to go down. So 4 hour, I want to go down to the 30 minute. Even though there's 3 hour, 2 hour, and 1 hour on your MP4. Hey guys, please.
Mexican orang.
Can you hear me, guys? Someone's talking.
Yeah.
What?
Come on now, who's doing this? Oh man. Phoebe, mute everybody. Mute everybody. Just mute all of us. Mute all of us. We really don't have much time. Just mute all of us. We'll respond through the chat. We'll indicate through the chat.
Yes, that's the better idea.
Okay.
Yeah, let's not.
Yeah. Okay. Perfect. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So basically, guys, this so on the actual market, this low should be higher than this low, but on the MACD, once again, this second low here needs to be lower than this first low. So you can see how it's going diagonally down, but on the market, it's going diagonally up. Now, once you found your hidden divergence, you go down 2 time frames. So on the 4 hour, 2 time frames down is the 30 minute. So I go to the 30 minute. Yeah. Now on the 30 minute, what I'm looking for not hidden, I'm looking for regular divergence, regular. Now what regular is, as an example, because I'm looking for a buy, I want to see a point on my chart from that's going down. So the entry, the potential entry is here, but I need to see the market going down, and on the MACD, it going up. So as an example, let's get rid of this. So can you see from this point, from here to here is going down. However, on my MACD, come on then. Yes, on my MACD, look, it's going up. So that's regular divergence. So when I spot the regular divergence, all I'm waiting for is my MACD to cross. And you can see here, look, as soon as the MACD crosses, so not this one here, as soon as it crosses, not this one, when it crosses, that's why I enter. So look, so that this point here, and I mark it, here. So my entry would be on this candle here. Now it begs the question, when the market is coming down, so as an example, if I go back to the 4 hour chart, when the market is coming, so just say as an example, the market was this long red candle here. How do I know whereabouts the market will stop? This is how I'll show you. And this is why I was saying to you guys about quarter points, yeah? I'll put it in a text box, yeah? Quarter points. Here. Quarter points. Yeah? The quarter points is 25, 50, 75, and 100, or zero, yeah? So now, all I do is, so with this quarter point, 1 6, sorry. With these quarter points, all I'm doing, so as an example, say the market was here. Let me see if I can I rewind? Hopefully. Hey. No, I can't. Okay. Just say for instance now, the market was by this long bearish red candle. Now all I do is I go here, Fibonacci, Fib retracement, this one here. I click on that and I go from the lowest low. So this is the lowest low and this is the higher low. So I go from the higher low to the top. So the peak here, yeah, the top. So can you see how my zero line is at the peak of this move? So this lower low here, I want to put my Fibonacci on the peak of the move, and this is the highest point of this move before it came down here. Yeah. Now all I do, I'm looking for the 50 and the 61.8. So all I do is, as an example, let me just get rid of these green lines. So all I do, I get a black line, a black horizontal line, and I put it on the 50. Yeah. When I put it on the 50, I come here and I'm looking for one of these quarter points. So see here is 0.71597. Yeah, but remember the quarter points is 25, 50, 75, and 100. So let me test if I do it as 500, which will be classed as the 50. So 0.71500 is classed as this 50. So that's a quarter point. So when I press OK, it came here. Okay, but look, I know that the market will not stop here. Why? Because it came through. It came through the quarter point. So what I'll do is I'll get my next line and put it on the 61.8, which is here. So look, 50, 61.8, and 78.6. Yeah. So I put it on the 61.8. I go to my settings once again, and remember I'm looking for a quarter point. Yeah. So 71. Let's just say 750. Sorry, pardon me. One sec, guys. Sorry, 0.71. Let's do 0, 0, 0. And can you see how it came here? But even though, let me just get rid of this. One sec, guys. Let me just get rid of this Fibonacci so you guys can see more clear. Yeah. Now, even though this didn't touch this, I know that it will trace around this area. So guys, these quarter points, it's not the fact that they have to hit or it's gonna retrace exactly there. You want the market to come in and around the area. If it touches, great. If it doesn't, then it is what it is. But the way how I know that this line here is valid is by me looking to my left. Now, when I look to my left, look, there's structure. Can you see? Look, so it came here, hit it. Came here, hit it. There's structure here, structure. Now, the easiest way to see structure is by going to a line chart. Now, look at this. You see? It came down, touched it, went up, came down, touched it, went up, came below it, up, came down, touched it, came up, nearly touched it. So I know for a fact that this area is an area of interest. Yeah? Now, from there, all I do is, on the 30-minute, once I said, I wait for the MACD cross. When the MACD crosses, I get in. It's literally that simple, guys. So all it is just hidden divergence, Fibonacci, and quarter points. Let me do a next example. So NZD CAD. I think this was done on, was it Monday? I think it was. I think it was Monday. So for instance, look, okay, 15 minute. So look. This low here was in and around the 200. Yeah. But because it came a bit above the 200, I was a bit skeptical. So what I done was I got this line, and I put this line on top here. Yeah. Now that line there, remember, I'm looking for a quarter point. So go here. Okay, look, 0.88282. 282 is not a quarter point. So my nearest quarter point to this figure is 250. 250. And look, you see where it comes? It comes here. So even though the market went a bit above the 200 moving average, I'm only going to take the trade when the market comes below. Bear in mind, I want to sell. Why do I want to sell? Because it's below the 200 moving average. So I want the market to come below this 0.88250 mark before I sell. Now look, same thing, MACD. So look, this is the high. Let me show you again. This is the higher high, and this is the lower high. How do I know? Because look, on my MACD, this green area signifies a high. This green area also signifies a high. But can you see how on the market, this high is higher than this high, but on my MACD, this high is higher than this high. So look, let me just connect it for you guys. So look, the highest point, so that's going up, obviously it's blatant to see. And here on my chart, it's going down. So look, so now we have the fact that the market is below the 200 moving average. We have the fact that we have hidden divergence, and we know that we have hidden divergence because obviously it's going down here, but on my chart it's going upwards. Yeah, you always want the second high or the second low to be lower or higher than the first one, not on the chart but on your MACD. Now what I do is, because I spotted this divergence on my 15-minute chart, I'm going down to the 5-minute time frame. Yeah, I personally don't trade in the 1 minute. So I go down to the 5-minute. Now look, let me just get rid of this. Yeah, so on the 5-minute, what am I looking for now, guys? Regular divergence. So remember, even though on the 15-minute I want it to come down, regular divergence, when I go down the time frame, I'm looking for the peaks. So look, I'll show you. So can you see here how it's going up? So on the market, it's going up. I'll put this in gold. It's going up. Or orange. It's going up. But on my MACD, look, that same area is what? It's going down. It's going down. Now, when I see that, what do? I wait for the MACD to cross. So remember, this peak here on my other MACD, not this one here, it's the same thing. These blues or greens represent the highs, and these reds represent the lows. Guys, come on, if you. Yeah, and these. Sorry, guys. And these. So yeah, these greens represent the highs, and these reds represent the lows. So on the 5-minute chart, I'm waiting for my MACD to cross. So this high here is this high here. So where does it cross? It crosses here, look. It crosses right there. So look, it crosses right here. This is where the cross happens. So if I mark that part where it crossed on my chart, entry will be when this candle closes. So I would enter here and look how tight my stop loss is. I'll show you. My stop loss will be above the last high, which is here, right there. And in regards to targets, the way I do targets is I go back onto the chart that I analyzed, and I'm looking for lows. So as an example, I'll show you. So I'm looking for where the market created a floor. So look, here's a floor, and here's a floor. So my target will be around here. But guys, to make it smoother, watch this. This is a little trick as well. So when I put my green line here, what am I looking for again? A quarter point. So this floor here, I go into my settings, and I'm looking for the nearest quarter point to this figure here, which is what? 0.88000. Why? Because quarter points is 25, 50, 75, 100, or /0. So look, if I do 0.88000, enter, look, it's saying that, look, basically, this is not where the market wants to stop. This here is where the market wants to stop. Now, if I get my another horizontal line, and I put it where I think the second floor was, which was here, because obviously this is a low, I go to my settings. Okay, 0.7905. What's the nearest quarter point? Simple, 0.88000. Sorry, pardon me. One second, pardon me. I'll go back. Yeah, sorry, my bad. Yeah, 0.87. No, 0.87. Yeah, see, this quarter point, the nearest one is this one, 0.88000. So I would only have one take profit. And this is why when I first came into this chart, you saw one green line. Because look, if I put it here, and I go to my settings, the nearest quarter point will be 0.88000 in the exact same place. See? So that's that example. Let me go to another example. Old, did I have one on old JPY? Yeah, perfect. Yeah. This one was good. So all JPY as well, to be fair, they're all good. All JPY, so look here. This one here, even though it came a bit below the 200 moving average, the reason why I still took this trade is why? Is because if I put my horizontal line at the bottom of here, and the reason why I do that is because this low is still higher than this low. So I'll test that out. So what I'll do is black line, settings, what am I looking for? Quarter point. So the nearest quarter point to here is 75.700. Yeah. 75.700. Remember, 25, 50, 75, and 0. Yeah, so look, it came here. Now, when I go to my MACD, so look, this is a low, and this is a low. But can you see how, even though the market is going from this low to that low, is going up, but on my MACD, once again, from this low to the higher low is going down. So bearing in mind, from this low to that low on the market is going up, but then on my MACD, that same low is going down. So that's hidden divergence, yeah? And I spotted that on the 1 hour chart. So I go down to the 15-minute chart. And what am I looking for? Regular divergence. So bearing in mind, whereby this was going high, to spot regular divergence, we need to see the market going down, but the MACD going up. So look, let's have a look. So look, yeah, perfect, yeah. So look, it's so blatant. So one sec, guys. See, look. One sec. Up, down, up. One sec, guys. Yeah, perfect. See, look. So if you can see, from here, from this point here to entry is going down. Oh, this stupid thing. One sec, sorry, guys. So look, from here to here is going down. Yeah, but on my MACD, If you want to hurry up. Yeah. Can you see how my MACD is going up? In that same spot. Look, the same spot. If you can see. See, look, here, from here to here is down, but from here to here is going up. Or you can even see it on the other MACD. Look, from here to here is going down, but on my other MACD is going up. Yeah? Now all I do is what? Wait for the MACD cross. So look, it was here. Let's have a look again. No, it was here. So yeah, so this low here. So this low will be, I'm not sure if you can see. It will basically this one. Can you see this one red histogram? That still signifies a low. So all I'm waiting for is the market to cross. And where does it cross? Right here. So remember, it crosses downwards, then it crosses upwards again. So I'll get in here. And look, this line to this line. And that's where I get in. Now for targets, what am I looking for? I'm looking for ceilings. Yeah. So look, I'm looking for ceilings, not on the 15-minute. I'm looking for ceilings on the 1 hour. So look. So this one here, where's the nearest ceilings? One here, there's another one here, and there's another one here. Yeah. So let's put the green line, this green line to the first ceiling that we see, which is here. Yeah. Now what we're looking for, quarter point, settings. Okay, 76.007. The nearest quarter point is 76.000. Okay, so that will be take profit one. Why do you think the market came up? It hit the quarter point, which was our take profit one, came down, and then came all the way back up to where the highest point, which is here. The highest point of this leg. I don't mean this point here, of this leg. Guys, listen, the banks, all these quarter points is where the banks respect. This is where, these are areas that the bank want to trade to or trade away from. It's just how they trade. If you're going to look, another one, USD CHF. Yeah, this one here. So this was on the 15-minute chart. So once again, look. Okay, so just say for instance, let's see, we'll go back. Just say for instance, yeah, just say for instance, all this stuff wasn't here, yeah? So what do? Okay, I see the market is above the 200 moving average. Okay, so I'm looking for a buy. So if I'm looking for a buy, I need to see what? I need to see lows on my MACD. Because look, there's this low and there's this low. But this low is higher than this low. That's what you want. So that's the first one confirmed. But now on the MACD, we want to see this low lower than this low. So when we go down, look, voila. Look, this low, so this low here is this low. So this low is lower. Let me zoom in. Yeah, this low is, this low is lower than this low. So now we have regular divergence. So we have regular divergence, so we have hidden divergence, and we have regular divergence, yeah? So in regards, sorry, one sec. So in regards to where we get in, how do we know? Okay, we're looking for a quarter point. So what do? We get our Fibonacci. Sorry guys, to be fair, I didn't do the Fibonacci for the last one, I forgot. So we got our Fibonacci, yeah? Remember, 50 and 61.8. So this is my 50, and this second one, this second yellow is my 61.8. So first, I will test the 50. I'll put it here. So 50. Now we're looking for the nearest quarter point to where the market is. So look, 0.91. What is the nearest quarter point? 0.91250. 250. See, look, and then it came here. Now, if I saw this break, you would think, okay, look, the market is continuing to go down. So what I do just in case, I get another horizontal line and I put it on the 61.8. Okay, where's the nearest quarter point? One second, guys. Where's the nearest quarter point? Okay, 0.91136. So you can test two numbers. You can test 0.91250, which is basically the same as the other one. It's the same as this one. So what I'll do is, okay, so we have that one already. Let me test a bit further down. So settings, let's try 0.91000. See, look here. So that 0.9100000 is here. But the way how I know not for it to wait, for me not to wait for it to come here, because look, if it came to this, let me just delete this Fibonacci. If it came to this 0.91000, the trade is void. Why? Because it would have closed way below the 200 moving average. This is what protects me. So okay, so the only price that will be interested in buying would be this 0.91250. Why? Because it's a quarter point and it's still above just the 200 moving average. I don't want this one because that will be below the 200 moving average, which will signify the market going into a sell. So from there, I'll go down to the 5-minute chart. Where is it? So 5-minute chart here. Now remember, the market's going up, but with regular divergence, I'm looking for a down, yeah? So I'm looking for highs. So look, let me just see here. One second, guys. Yeah, perfect. See, look. So look, can you see how from here, and guys, remember, the regular divergence, it will always be linked to the potential entry. So it will always be linked. So from there to the entry, that's where the regular divergence normally is. So from there to there is going down. But look, that same spot is going up. Look, I'll show you. Look, here, down, that same place is going up. Well, if that's confusing, look, going up. The MACD is going up. So that's regular divergence. Now, what am I waiting for? A simple cross. So from here, so on my chart, this is the low point. Where did it cross over? It crossed right here. See how it came below and it recrossed right there. That's my entry. And look. So not there, here. That's my entry, yeah? So I know that's my entry, but look, on the 50-minute chart, for our take profits, we're looking for what? We're looking for ceilings, yeah? So let's see, okay, so let's try this part here. Let's try this one here. So let's see where the nearest quarter point to this ceiling is. So settings. Okay, so 0.91367. Now, the 2 quarter points next to 367 will be either 250 or 500. So let's try both. So look, 91250. See, look, we don't want that because our entry's here. We don't want that here. So we know for a fact 250 is too low. So if we put it back there, let's try 500 now. Settings. 500. 0.91500. Now look at that. Look at that. 0.91500 is where? By this ceiling. So sometimes, guys, yeah, most people will put their take profit here, and they'll sell themselves short, not knowing that the market went all this way to here. Why? Because the banks are looking for quarter points to trade towards. That's how. That's how. That's how. You guys have any questions, or let me just mute. Let me just unmute everyone. So, guys, do you guys have questions, or?
Yeah, oh,
Have you guys,
okay.
guys? If you've got questions, just unmute yourself.
Yeah, I kind of have a question, and that's when
Wait.
when do you
Wait. Who's speaking? Just so I can unmute the rest. Who's speaking? Sorry.
Afusa is speaking?
Oh, okay, yeah. Let me just mute the rest. Hey, I thought you have making noise, or
No, not me. That's not me.
that is you. You're the only person that's muted.
Are you serious?
Are you
Who's making?
outside? Are you outside?
No, no, no. I'm in the office.
Oh, one sec. Okay, yeah, fine.
Any noise? Okay.
No, yeah, go on.
Okay, I was going to ask when do you declare it a trade invalid? Let's just say an exit strategy. For
Perfect.
example, something happens and the market turns on you.
Yeah,
How do you leave? How do you exit the
perfect.
trade?
So for instance,
The
yeah.
entries are pretty clear. I like them. Yeah.
Okay. So I'm not sure if you can remember yesterday. I called out an audio trade, and then I texted the group saying, no, get out quick. The reason why is because I'm looking for two things. For me to exit my trade, I'm looking for two things. Yeah. If I get in and it closes below this 200, I'm out ASAP. I'm not waiting.
Oh, wow.
I'm out. There's no hesitation. I'm out. Or
Okay.
yeah, I'm out. Or just say now, for instance, this low was this low. Let me put it here as an example. Yeah. Just say now, for instance, we were comparing this low, this yellow low, to this low here. Let's put another one. Yeah. So if this low, as an example, if I'm not in the trade, if this low closes below this low, the trade is void. Is void. Because why? We are looking for higher highs and lower lows. Now, what's a higher high?
Okay.
What's a high? Sorry, what higher lows and lower highs? What's a higher low? How? What's the easiest way to identify a higher low? The MACD. Look, the red. Anytime you guys listen, anytime you see red, that is your low. As an example, can you see? So look, on this MACD here, can you see this red?
Yeah.
This red area is signifying a low. Yeah. So this red area is here, or you can even use this MACD. This low, this red part here is signifying that this is a low. Yes. Now on this MACD, this here is a low. Why? Because look, it's red. This red area here. Yeah. This low here is a low. How do I know? Because it's red. Look, directly below it is red. So I know that this is a low in the market. Yeah. Now, as an example, this green area here is my high. So here is my high. How do I know? Because look on the MACD, when you see green or blue color is, that's my high. Yeah. So in the market, what we're looking for is higher lows and lower highs. As an example, this low here. One sec. This low here, that low is higher than this low. Understand? This high, wait, this low is lower than this low. Now, as an example, let me try and find a high. Okay, is that high now? Okay, let me just try and find a high and show you what a lower high is as an example on by using MACD.
This and this.
Yes, perfect. Okay, perfect. Can you see? I'll mark it to make it easier. Can you see this bluish greenish area here? Can you see it? Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this area here is signifying my high. So I'll mark it. So now I know that this part here is my high. Yeah. Now after this green here, where's the next green? It's here. Yeah. This part here. So this is one high and this is second high. Now is this high on the market lower than this high? Yes. Because look, that second green is here. So look, this high is lower than this high. So guys, when we're buying, all we're looking for is higher lows. So to buy, you look for higher lows. When you want to sell, you look for lower highs. Can you see how this high is lower than this high? Do you understand?
Yeah.
So this high here is lower than this high. Guys, listen, anytime you buy, and this is why sometimes when you guys call that trades in a group, I'm like, how, like, what are you guys seeing? In order for you to buy, you can only buy when you see a lower high. This is facts. You can only buy when you see a, sorry. You can only buy when you see a higher low.
No.
Yeah. You can only sell, or you should only sell when you see a lower high.
Lower high.
Simple. Guys, that's literally this thing, guys, is so simple. I'm telling you, man. You can only listen if you put in your mind, only buy when you see a higher low. Only sell when you see a lower high. Simple. So look. All my examples. I remember, guys. It will never be 100%. But guess what? It's a very bloody high percentage win rate. Literally, man. I'll be honest with you guys. So look. Hey, D. Sorry, guys. D. Give me a sec, please. Yeah, give me a sec. I'm just on the call. All right, bye. Yeah. So look, this one here. So this USD, this audio USD that I called. What can you see? This low is higher than this low.
Just slow.
Can you see, man?
Awesome.
Guys, listen. This is bloody simple. I'm telling you, man. This low is higher than this low. So okay, so Mo, how do you know that this is a low? Simple. MACD now. Look at this low here. Look at this low here. Red.
Yeah.
Red. Simple. Let me go to any chart. Let me go to CHF, JPY. Any chart. One sec. I see people buying. Anyway, you got listen. In this game, guys, only buy when you see a higher low. Simple. One sec. CHF, JPY. Okay, look. So look. Let me go to any. Okay. Perfect. Thank you, Lord. So look at this, yeah. So look, guys, bearing in mind, I have not looked at my MACD yet. I haven't looked at anything, yeah. Let me mark here. I'll mark here, yeah, and I'll mark here because for me this looks like a low, but we'll see on the MACD. Maybe I'm wrong. Yeah. So look. Guys, can someone? Yeah, thank you. Yeah. So look. See, look, I was correct. Can you see this low and this low? Now this low is what is higher than this low. Simple. However, the reason why I wouldn't take this trade is why there's no hidden divergence. I need this second one to be lower than this one. Yes.
Awesome.
On the markets, you want to see higher lows. But on your MACD, you want to see the second low histogram. You know these lines here, they're called histogram. You want to see the second low histogram lower than this low. Now, guys, look. One sec. If you see here, look, it goes up. But guys, listen, even when there's no divergence, and the thing is, I shouldn't be saying this, but I'll be honest with you guys. Even when there's no hidden divergence, yeah, there's a high chance. Why? Because look, I have this low is higher than this low, and what else will signify to me that it's a buy? It's above the
It's
200
moving average.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes,
Awesome.
yes. Can you see how simple this shit is? It's simple, man. People be there confusing themselves and making it hard. This shit is simple, guys. Sorry, mind my language, but I'm just so passionate about this, man. This shit is simple. Trust me. Listen, when the market is above the 200 moving average, you are not looking for sales at all. At all. You are only looking for buys. Because if you try and sell above this 200 moving average, you are counter trend trading. That's a gamble. A gamble, man. So look, as an example. So look, this, as I said, this low is higher than this low. Yeah. Okay. Now, just say for instance, as an example, there was hidden divergence here, yeah, but there's none. But let's just say for instance there was. Okay. So how do we identify our entry? Simple. Fibonacci from the bottom to the top. This top here, yeah. But we drag it across. So look, can you see how my zero line, my zero is touching the peak of this move, yeah? Now all I'm doing is what? I mark 50, which is my 50 here, this yellow, 50. I'm doing it in black. 50, and I'm looking for the nearest quarter point to this 50. So look, settings. Okay, 114362, yeah? Now this 362, you tell me, what are the two nearest quarter points to this 362? You tell me.
7
Uh,
11436.
no.
That's
So,
5. That's 50.
yes.
1
500.
50 is the nearest quarter
Yes,
point.
yes,
500. Yeah.
yes. But look now. You see, can you see how the market is supporting this line?
Oh,
Can you see,
yeah.
guys, this shit is simple, man. It's simple. If anything, yeah, you know, trading now for me is boring. Trading's boring for me now because it's the same shit every day. Every day I'm looking for the same stuff. Literally every day, guys. Why do you think all my trades look the same? All my buys look the same. All my sells look the same. Why do you think? So look, so for instance, look, this quarter point, yeah. Now, just in case, let me test this 61 level here, 61.8. Okay, so if I put it here,
Wow.
what? Okay, this 114. What is the nearest quarter point? You tell me. The nearest.
00.
Yes, bad boy.
00.
11400, and I put it there. Yeah. So look, this 00. Whether the market comes here or it comes here, I'm looking for my buy. And why would I feel comfortable? One sec. Let me delete this Fibonacci. Why would I feel comfortable looking for my buys at this line or this line? Because both lines are above the 200 moving average, Jerry. What are you talking about? Guys, this thing's easy, man. Then what do? I go down because it's a 4 hour. Where do I go? To my 30 minutes.
30 minutes.
Yes. Now my 30 minute is where I find entry. How do I find entry? MACD cross.
MACD cross.
Simple. You know, simple. You know that advert with the meerkat. Simples. It's simples. So look here. And guys, remember, we're not paying attention to the 200 moving average on the lower time frame. No, only the time frame that we spot the divergence, the hidden divergence. Do you understand? So even though we've gone down to the 30 and it's below the 200, we don't care about this because look, on the 4 hour, it's above. It's above. But remember, the chart, the time frame where you spot your hidden divergence is a time frame that your markup is on. So for instance, this one here, look, TP. So where can you see ceiling? There's a ceiling here and there's a ceiling here. So let's test both of them. So look, green. Let's test this one first. Now, what we're looking for, the nearest quarter point, which is what? Okay, this one here, 115.117. What is the nearest quarter point?
0.
Yes, and what will be the other one? Okay, wait. Let's test. Okay, let's test 0. 1 sec. 0.000. Can you see this here?
Yeah.
So that could be your TP1. And now let's
Okay.
test this one. Let's test this one now, because there's two. Okay. Now, okay. Look, 115 point. What is the nearest quarter point?
500, 50,
Simple.
500.
Simple. 0. And look,
Yeah.
guys, are you seeing this, guys?
Wow.
Look, it's simple, man. I don't care what anybody says. This shit is simple. Let me go to any other chart. Look, let me go to, I don't know, USD CAD, for instance. And guys, remember, every single day is the same process. If I don't see any setups, I do not trade.
Cool.
So okay, look. So now the market here, this point here, is below the 200 moving average. So what am I looking for? Sales. So on my MACD, what am I looking for? I'm looking for my highs. So look, this high and this high. Can you see how this high is lower than this high? Look. This high is lower. And guys, listen, as I said, I do advise you to always look for hidden divergence. However, guys, this thing is a cheat code, man. If it's below the 200 moving average and you see a lower high, you can sell. But the reason why I don't do it is because it's a gamble. And why is it a gamble? Because it might not go to my TP. It might go before my TP. But when you see hidden divergence, the market is signifying that the market wants to go in that direction. Do you understand? So let me see if I can spot divergence, hidden divergence quickly. 1 sec. And guys, you're not looking for this stuff here. It's so simple. Watch. Let me just go back. Perfect. Can you see look. 1 sec. Can you see? Look. But guys, this is an example. This trade, I don't take it because I only take trades when the market hits my 50 or 61.8 on my Fibonacci. So look, can you see? Look, you have this high. How do we know it's a high? Green. And the next high after this high is where? Green. This high.
Yeah.
This high. But can you see how on the market this high is lower than this high? Yes.
Yeah.
On the MACD, can you see how the MACD this high is higher than this high?
Yeah.
What is that? Hidden divergence. Now look.
Yeah.
Now look. Fibonacci from this point down to the lowest point. Where's the lowest point? The lowest point. Where's the lowest point? Here. This wick. Yeah. So we go from the highest point to the lowest point, and we drag it across. So look, my 0 line is on the lowest point. Yeah. And can you see how here? Look.
Wow.
Can you see how it touched the 50? So look, 50. Do it in black. In 50, yeah. Now, what do? We only buy and sell around what? Quarter points, because that's where the banks are looking to buy or sell. So we got to look settings. Okay, what's the nearest quarter point? The last 3 digits. What's the nearest quarter point? There's 2. There's 2. You can choose 2.
2. I can't.
Yeah. You can choose 2.
1.36828. That's 0 is the nearest point.
Yes, but it will be 13. Yes. You're right. Yeah, 000. Now, can you see how that is too low down? Can you see
Yeah.
So that 36000 is too low down. It's not this black line is not around my 50 or 61.8.
Okay.
Yes. Now let's try the other number. So look here. So we'll put it here at the 50. So we tried 136000, but it's not within our 50 or 61.8.
1.8.
Yeah.
Okay.
So what is the next? What is the other the other nearest quarter point to this 828?
828. 775 or
Bad
70.
boy. Bad boy. 750. Siam. Can you see how look? Picture perfect.
Wow.
Picture perfect. Can you see? Guys, can you see how easy this shit is? But guys, you know me, I don't gas. I don't talk nonsense. This one here, look, your TP, you would have been looking for TP here. Yeah, this is the floor. This is the floor here. Yeah, this is the floor. Yeah, and look, the nearest. So this floor, what we're looking for, the quarter point. So what is the nearest quarter point to this? 1.33. What's the nearest quarter point?
50.
You're skipping now.
3380. That's 338. Sorry, 33000 is the nearest quarter point for the last three numbers.
No, it's not. No. Think about it. So 836. Remember, our quarter points is 25.
85. 550.
But there's one that is closer to this 836.
225.
Guys, remember, we're only looking at the last three digits.
3 digits, yes.
Yeah, so remember, our quarter points 25, 50, 75,
75 and 00.
Yes. So look, 1.33, 750.
50.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
So can you see how the market? So can you see how the market was coming down? But it was,
Oh.
you see how it retraced. But guys, look at the power. Even though it retraced, can you see how ultimately the market still came there?
Yeah.
Why? Because it's a quarter point. The banks always go from quarter point to quarter point. Guys, I'm telling you, the banks will always go from one quarter point to another quarter point. This is facts. Facts.
Okay.
Can you see it, guys?
Okay.
And guys, listen. This is what I do every day. It's the same thing. 5 days a week. It's the same thing. Even on crypto, you can do it on crypto too on Saturday. I don't trade Saturday. Let's see. Okay. Somebody in a group, they called you. One second. Let me check. Somebody called out Euro USD. Yeah. Let me just see.
Oh crap.
Okay. Somebody.
Battery low.
Oh, your battery.
Yeah, I need to plug up.
Somebody put sell Euro USD. Yeah. But guys, look. If you go to Euro USD, look, guys, look. On a 4 hour, it's above it's above 200. On a 1 hour, it came above the 200. Do you understand? So why on earth would I sell here? Why would I risk my money and sell when the market is telling me, Mo, the market is above the 200 moving average. So therefore, bruv, it's a buy, not a sell. So why am I selling here? It makes no sense. You understand, guys? It makes no sense. Look. Even this one here. Let me just make this the last example because I know you guys are using stuff. Let me just see. Okay, look. Okay. Look. Simple, guys, look, very simple. Even though there's no divergence, I just want to give you an example how when you see a higher low and lower high. So look, can you see this low and this low? Yeah. But how do I know these are lows? Look, my D now. Look, red is a low. Yeah. This low here is higher than this low. Now let's see. Let's just check. I'm not saying that this trade here, I wouldn't have taken it because there's no hidden divergence. But I guarantee you guys, guys, remember, I haven't checked this, but I guarantee you any money, this second low here is near a quarter point. Watch, you'll see. I guarantee you any money. Let's just check. So if I put it here, bottom. Settings. Okay. 1.7203. What is the nearest quarter point, guys?
$2.5.
Sorry?
250.
Yes, fantastic. 250. Enter. Can you see Look. Can you see Can you guys see? Now look. Now watch this. I guarantee you any money. Watch. Green. Can you see this ceiling here? I bet this ceiling is near a quarter point 2. Let's put it there. Settings. Okay, 1.7958. What's the nearest quarter point, guys?
7.5.
3?
750.
Okay, let's try that one. But there's one. You're right. You're correct. But there's two. So there's 175. Wait, 171. Is that correct? No, sorry. Two. Sorry, you said 750. But look, see, this here, it would have hit anyway. But the better one, because look, if you put it here, what number is closer? Is close to this number? Look, 1.18000.
800.
Yes. Now see, can you see how? Look, guys. Look. I can't make this up, you know, guys. Can you see how the green line is still within this region here?
Mm-hmm.
Now watch. Any money. This ceiling here, I guarantee you guys, is near a quarter point. I put it there. Settings. Okay, 1.1017. What's the nearest quarter point?
Just back it up to 000. Just back it up or 25. 00 or 25.
0, my friend. Look, enter. Okay. Look where it is, guys. Look where it is, for goodness sake. Look where it is. Can you see? Look where it is. Look where it is. Respecting anywhere. Guys, look. Look. Let me do it randomly, yeah? Okay, look, watch. Here, let me just put it anywhere. Let me put it there. Yeah? I go to my settings. Okay, what is the nearest quarter point to this one? 689. What's the nearest quarter point, guys?
6 zeros. No.
750.
Yes, fantastic. 750, yes? Enter. Can you see, Can you see how, look, can you see how here, look, the market wick, this price, wick. Can you see that? Look. And I guarantee you, if I go back, there will be some sort of support in this area, this green line. Watch, again, or resistance. Watch. Oh, the computer's moving so slow, for goodness sake. Okay, guys, to be fair, it's long. Let me try another place. Okay, let me just try. Okay, look, I'll put it here, for instance, anywhere. Okay, settings. Okay, 697. What's the nearest quarter point to that one?
750.
750.
Yeah, 750. Yeah. enter. Can you see, can you see? Look how the market is respecting. RESPCT. Look how it's respecting. Look. Let me zoom in. Look, can you see? Floor. It broke this line here. It broke it. This red candle. Can you see how it touched this green line? Can you see how this wick is nearly this green line? If you scroll to the right, look. Look. Why? Okay, guys. Of all places, why did this candle here, this green candle, why did this green candle wick this green line? Quarter point. If you go on, look. If you go along, can you see how this green line is being respected? Can you see him? Can you guys see?
Yeah.
Guys, listen. It happens in every market, every chart. All you're looking for at the end of the day is hidden divergence, regular divergence, using your Fibonacci, and quarter points. That is it. Look, okay. Last one, guys. Last one. Let me get my Fibonacci from this point to the highest points, which is this green wick. Yeah. This green wick here. Yeah? Now watch this. Just watch this magic. So look, I get this. I pull it at my, let me get black. I'll pull it at my 50. Yeah? Guys, what is the nearest quarter point? 882.
300.
Perfect. Or 3000. Or what's the what's the nearest one? Other one. Because remember, look, that 300 is outside of my 50. I want it to be within. I want to be within. Because here it's at the 38s. But I want it to be within. The lowest, guys, the lowest that I will go is this 78.6. So 50, 61.8, and 78.6. But if we put that at the 50 once again, settings, the nearest quarter point will be what? 750 now. 8750. Enter. Can you see? Can you see this? So this one here, I would have waited for the market to come above before I buy. But look here. Can you see wick? On this black line, wick. If I go to my right, can you see? Look, respecting wick. Look, wick. Can you see it?
Yeah.
Look, wick. This black line is being respected. Wick. Look, it was here. This long wick. This wick here. Guys, quarter points it will change your life, man. I'm telling you. Trust me, I'm telling you. It's not. I'm not here to bullshit nobody.
Wow.
I'm not. Guys, I'm not making money from nobody, so I have no reason to bullshit nobody at all. This. Let me just see how this. Fingers crossed. See, hey, I'm in profit. So look. This audio USD, guys. Is it coincidence that is going this far? Is it coincidence? No.
Check my profits.
Sorry?
I should check my profits.
Yeah.
I mean that trade.
Guys, I know everyone is in profit. I know. Right now, I'm up 1100.
Whoa. Whoa.
You're on profit, yeah?
Yeah, I entered two positions.
Okay.
The one with the first take profits, it has taken profit, and the other one is still running.
Yeah.
Great.
And guys, have you noticed? Look, you know this second take profit. How did I find it? That's the question. Why? Look, here's my ceiling. So first of all, I put my black. Sorry, it wasn't black. It was green actually. I put my green line there. Yeah. Now what am I looking for? Quarter points.
Quarter point.
Setting. What is the nearest quarter point? 0.71750. 750.
Yeah,
Now look, where did it go? Exactly where my take profit is set. Are you talking? Guys, can you see how easy this shit is, guys?
Yes, boss.
It's so easy, man. So rather than sweating, oh my gosh, is my trade gonna go in my direction or not? Guys, listen. If you have hidden divergence and the market is above the 200 moving average, guys, listen. You have more chance of the market going in your favor than not. That's facts. It's facts. Literally.
Wow.
But guys, that's my piece off. If you guys want another example, I can give you another. Oh yeah. Sorry. Last one, guys. Sorry. Last one. Okay, so you know this one here. Yes, perfect. Let me show you guys. Because you asked me, how do I not get this trade? Yeah. So I'm not sure if you guys remember yesterday. I sent a message saying, keep your eye on Euro GBP. Yeah. Why did I say that? Because look, this was a high. And this high here was forming. But what I was waiting for this high to be higher
than the other high.
Yes.
Whoa.
Now look. It happened here. Let me show you. Look, it happened here. This one here. This histogram here is higher. Can you see it's higher than this one?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now the reason why I didn't get into this trade is why? Because look, my quarter points that I had, which was here. Because look, I put it here. What did I do? Fibonacci to the lowest points. Wait one sec. Fibonacci here to the lowest points. Where's my lowest points?
Yeah.
The lowest point is right here. This wick, yeah. Now what I've done was I put my the line at 50. 50. First I put it at 50. Yeah. Where's my nearest point? 0 0 0 0. Enter.
Yeah.
Nope. Look, it's too low down. It needs to be above the 50, above within the zone. Okay. So let me test the 61.8. 61.8, yeah. So I tested that. So let me put it there quickly. And I go to my settings. Nearest quarter points, 250. 250. Now look what happened. Guys, can you see how my line is above my 200 moving average?
Yeah.
So I'm not interested. Guys, it's simple, man. It's simple. This shit's simple, guys. This shit's simple, man. No one can't tell me nothing. This shit's simple. It's simple. But guys, listen. I'm not naive. You guys will go away and you try it.
A group.
You guys might.
Welcome, Sonny.
Ni sawa, mimi nilimwambia.
Guys,
Anafunzanga hadi hapo kwa group. Then anafunza technique.
Yeah. If also, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can.
Yeah, cool. Yeah, so one second. Okay, yeah. So guys, I know you guys will go away and you'll be like, oh my gosh, where do I bloody start? Mo what do you know what I mean? Where do I start? Mo is not here. He's not guiding me. Where do I start? Guys, all you need to do first, identify, is the market above or below the 200 moving average? First and foremost. Yeah? Let's go to a random pair. NZD CAD. Guys, I know I'm talking too much, but I want you guys to get this shit, man. Listen, when you get this, anyway, one of you guys will see soon. Look, let me just remove everything here. So look, this random chart. Okay, so where, like, what the hell am I looking for now? Okay, let me show you. Because this here is below the 200 moving average, I'm looking for my highs. Yeah. Look,
Yeah.
MACD. Look, MACD. I thought this was a high, but when I come to my MACD, is it a high? No, it's a low.
No, it's not.
Yes.
It's low. It's red.
My nearest high is this green here. Yeah. So look. And guys, remember, even though one second. Even though this high is above the moving average, it doesn't matter. The entry, you want your entry points to be below. You understand?
Okay.
The entry. Yeah. So look, this is the high. The second high needs to be created or formed below this 200 moving average. Yeah. So what I'm doing is waiting for what? The next high to be what? To be higher than this high. Now, guys, I'll be honest with you. This is a really high high. So the chances of the next high to be higher than this one, go above this one, is slim. So in my eyes, it's a void trade. You understand?
Cool.
Any questions or okay, look here. No. Any questions, guys? Or yes. Sorry. Look. Can you see? Look. It's not divergence, but it's an example of the higher high and higher low. This high, and you have look this high. Come on then. You have this high. Guys, can you see how this high is lower than this high?
Yeah.
Now let's see where now if there was divergence and this was below the 200 moving average, what is the next step? So one, identify, is the market above or below my 200 moving average? Yes or no? There's no emotion. There's no emotion.
Yeah.
Above or below? Yes or no? There's
No.
I feel like this. I feel like that. No. Yes or no? Is it above or below? As an example, if this was
It's above.
yeah,
Above. Yeah.
above, yeah. But let's say as an example, it was below, yeah. Just for example's sake. So okay, is it above or below? Okay, it's below. Okay, fine. Now because it's below, we know that we are looking for a what? A sell. Yeah. Now when you're looking for sells, you're looking for highs, high. Yeah. Now what's the next step? Quarter point. Okay, so where I'm looking to sell, is it next to a quarter point? Let me check. So I'll put it there. Okay, look, 0.89. What's the nearest quarter point?
0. Okay, 8925.
Yes, 250. Okay. See, can you see how it didn't even touch my quarter point? And look, let's just see here. Perfect. See? Can you see? If I pull it at 50, where is it? Okay, 0. Look, guys, can you see this? Can you see how it came? Can you see how it came around my quarter point and then it broke it and it came down? Can you see that, guys? So just say for instance, this part here was below my 200, and it came above my quarter point. I'm only entering, even though the MACD crossed, I will only be waiting for the market to close, not go, close below my quarter point. And guys, this is the reason why I got in early on this order. This order is looking great though. This order here, yeah. On my 30-minute, I'll show you guys. I'm sure there's a quarter point here somewhere. Yeah, here. One second. Guys, order's doing its thing, you know. So look, let me try 250. So look, guys, can you see? Look, can you see this 250? Yeah. Can you see how the market came up? It broke. When it broke this, what did it do? It came down, retested. It didn't close below, you know. It didn't close below. It wicked, went up, came down. You know, I think it was Kathy. Hold on. Is Kathy on the call? Let me see, Kathy. Oh no, she's not on the call. Kathy said, "Oh, can I enter? I exited the trade." Do you know why she exited the trade? Because she got scared because the market was coming down. Oh my gosh, this order. Guys, can you see this order? He's doing it for... Can you guys see the order?
Whoa, it's moving.
Oh, thank you.
Wow.
I'm up 1,500.
Yeah.
I might.
Kwenye juu kitisuru ni wapi?
Yeah, guys.
Wow.
Can you,
Here.
Landscape ushago inaweza ni hizi.
can you guys see?
But ni lazima uko na pesa.
Almost someone's thing's not moving. Guys, can you guys put your finger on? Boy Nelson. Yeah, Nelson.
Hello, Don.
Yeah. If also, can you?
Yeah, I'm with you.
Yeah. Can
Hello.
you see it though?
Yeah.
Let me just one sec.
Hi.
Yeah, guys, does this make sense though? Yeah, Nelson, does it make sense? Yeah.
Yeah, it does.
Perfect.
Guys, listen. What I would say is, guys, listen. When you are testing this, obviously I'll still be sending out signals. But guys, please understand. Don't just think, oh yeah, Mo sent a signal. Yes. We're nice. No. When I send it, go onto it and analyze why I picked that one based upon this strategy.
Yeah.
You see what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Look, my TP. Where's my TP? Look, 0.71750. Is that coincidence? Look.
No.
NZD CAD. One sec. Where's my... Okay. Or JPY, I think I might be late on it. Okay, look. Look at my TP, guys. Look at my TPs. I practice what I preach, man. Look at my TPs. Where? 000 250. Is it coincidence? Look, it's not coincidence. USD CHF. Where's my take profit? 9591 Is it coincidence? It's not, man. It's not. Where was my entry? Look here. Where was my entry? 0.91250. Is it coincidence? If also, can you see this power?
Yeah, I can.
Man, seriously. But guys, hopefully that makes sense, man. There's nothing, to be honest, guys, it's so simple. There's nothing more to go over.
Hold on. You actually took upon this trade, and then the price was above the 200 moving average, and then you took AUD USD.
Oh, yeah, 4 hour. It was on a 4 hour.
Okay, just like I said the price was below. Okay, on the 4 hours. Okay.
Yeah. Sorry. This one here, I think someone drew on my screen. But can you?
Yeah, it was above.
Yeah.
On the lower side.
Yeah, above. Now look.
Price when it's above. Just when it's above.
So
Okay.
one, it was above my 200, and look, this low is higher than this low.
And the previous low.
How do I know? My MACD tells me everything. My MACD is my best friend. Look, this low, this red here signifies my low. This red here signifies my second low. But look, even though this low was higher than this low, on my MACD, Siam, look, this low is lower than this low. Hidden divergence. Simple.
Then we go 2 time frames backward.
Yes, to the 30 minutes.
To get to the 30 minutes to get our entry point.
Yes. But no. But guys, remember, before we even go down, we need to use the Fibonacci to find where the market will potentially stop. So look, we go from this low to the highest point. The highest point is here, but you drag it across, yes? So the highest point is here. So I click there and I drag it up to the highest point. So I want my zero line to be at the highest the peak, which is here. Yeah. Now from that peak, I'm looking for 50 or 61.8, but I didn't mention 78.6 is good as well. Yeah. So look, let's go to 61 point. Let's start from the top. 50. So 50 here. So 50 settings. The nearest quarter point is 500. So 71500. Where does it go? Goes there. No, it's now that there. The reason why this line here is not good is why it is above our 50. We want it to be in this region here. You understand? So now we'll take it to say one second, guys. Yeah. So now we'll try our 61.8. Now where's it? Where is it? Oh yeah, it's the same one, 500. So it doesn't fly. So okay, now let's try our 78.6, which is here, 78.6. Settings. Okay, look, where's the nearest quarter point? There's two, either 71000 or
71250.
Yes.
250.
Yes. You guys have got it. 250. Enter. Now, can you see it? Can you guys see this thing? Can you see it? Look. This is why, guys, even though oh, I love this thing. Now you see, guys. Now you see why. When you hear traders talking about, oh no, I don't go through stress. Well, how can you go through stress when there's so many things identifying your bias? So look, guys. For instance, yeah, look. Perfect example. 30-minute, yeah. Look, my MACD. Where did it cross? Look. And this is how you know I'm not lying, because look, it was marked there already. So look, see, it crossed there, but look, guys, look. When it crossed, look. Can you see how it crossed? But it was still below my quarter point.
Yeah.
This is why I didn't enter there. I only entered when I saw this candle about to close above my quarter point. So I got in about here. About here. No, sorry. About here, yeah. Can you see?
Mm-hmm.
When I saw the candle about to close above this quarter point, then I got in. But if you want to, even when the MACD crosses, it's still certified.
Okay.
Does that make sense, guys? Yeah.
Yeah, it does.
Yeah.
A whole lot of sense.
And guys, this is it, man. Literally. Guys, any questions or before I go?
Done. I have to take a quick run. My boss is
Okay, no worries.
frantically searching for me.
No worries, bro. No worries, man.
Hope to get the recording.
Yeah.
Because I have to go over this shit all over again.
Yeah.
And I'm grateful. I am super excited. I'm pumped. And I'll have to see this thing through and make sure I get it.
Yeah.
Thanks, man. Thank you so much.
No worries, man. Where's my young gun? Nelson, does it make sense?
I'm online, sir. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Don, I actually wanted to ask that how many moving averages do you use?
Okay, I use
200 and.
To be honest, to be honest, I'll be honest with you. You know this one here is 20, but it's just there for show. To be honest, I don't even need. I don't even use it. To be honest, it's just there for show.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, but the main one.
200.
Yeah, it's 200, man. 200 because guys, 200 it identifies your trend. This is why so as an example, when I see you guys as an example selling when the market is above the 200, it's a gamble. This market, did it come down? Yes, but guess what? It won't always do that. It won't always do that, man. When it's above this 200, you want to buy. When it's below, you sell. Simple. Makes sense, yeah?
Yeah, exactly. It does.
Yeah. Guys, any more questions or?
Okay. I would love somebody that recorded this entire lesson you sound. Help us please post it on the group because I would love to have it all over again. I joined it very late today.
Yeah, okay. Yeah. I'm recording it now anyway. But
All right.
hopefully
Thank you.
yeah, no, that's fine. Hopefully when I stop it, hopefully it won't mess up on us. Because this recording stuff, I haven't done it before, you know.
Okay.
Yeah, but I'll try my best.
On an average, how many pips do you actually go for a take profits
Listen.
on an average?
Listen. Let me be honest with you. When people ask me, oh Mo, how many pips do you go for? When somebody asks me that question, I know for a fact they're a novice. They're a novice. It's not about pips, it's about percentage.
Okay.
Because you can catch, as an example, you could catch 20 pips, for instance, and make 2%, and I could catch 100 pips and make 1%. How? Because if you caught 20 pips and made 2%, your stop loss may have been 10 pips and you're risking 1%. So 10 times 2 is 20. Yeah? So your take profit was 20 pips, but you made 2%. But guess what? Me, that made 100 pips, my stop loss would have been 100 pips. So I only make 1%. This is why, guys, it's not about pips, it's about percentage. One person can catch 20 pips and make a 1 to 4. Why? Because their stop loss may have been 5 pips. Another person in that same trade, their stop loss might have been 20 pips and they only made 1%. Well, not only because it's still good, but that person made 1%. What's the difference? The other person had more knowledge in regards to where to put their stop loss. That's it, man. That's it.
Okay.
I have somebody yawning here now. Oh.
I'm so sorry about that. This doesn't be though.
Yawning. Can you imagine?
Okay.
Yeah, guys. Any more questions? Or?
Okay. So hello.
Yeah.
There's so much noise behind.
Wait, who's speaking?
Prince. This is me.
Who?
I'm coming.
So I don't meet you. Is it Infinix? Infinix Hot 6?
Yeah, exactly. Yes, it is me. It is me. Okay. I wanted to actually ask again that there are 3 steps to this particular strategy, right? Which is you figure out your hidden divergence on the 4-hour time frame, right?
Yeah. But remember, primarily, you're identifying is the market above or below my 200 moving average. That's the primary thing. Then you spot divergence.
Okay.
So is it above or below? Then you spot divergence. Not regular, hidden divergence. Yeah. And then when you spot hidden divergence, you go down 2 time frames.
2 time frames, right?
Yes. So as an example, if you spot hidden divergence in the 4-hour chart. Oh my gosh, I'm speaking. One sec. Sorry, Rahul. Rahul Oli, can you mute yourself, please? In the class. Some people. Yeah. So first, is it above or below the 200? Then you're looking for hidden divergence. Then you go down two time frames. So as an example, if you spot your hidden divergence on the 4-hour, you're looking for your entry, or you're looking for regular divergence on the 30-minute. Yeah.
Okay.
If you spot hidden divergence on the 1-hour chart, you are looking for regular divergence on the 15-minute chart.
10-minute chart.
Yes.
Okay.
However, the only difference is when you spot hidden divergence on the 15-minute,
Yes.
you're not going down to the 1 minute. It's too quick. You go down to the 5 minute.
Okay.
Yeah, don't go down to the 1. It's too bloody quick, man. It's too quick. Go down to the 5 minute.
Okay.
Yes. But then
Okay.
before you enter the trade, you want to find out, okay, where I'm buying, is it at a quarter point?
Okay.
I'm not sure what time you joined, but let me just put it here again.
Not too long ago, like about 20 minutes back or so.
Hey, you are sleeping on the job, or? Yeah, so quarter
Okay.
point.
Quarter point. Okay.
5.
Which is 25, 50, 75, and 100, right?
Oh yeah, you were here then.
Yes, I will. Yeah, I saw all those ones. Okay.
Yeah, but remember, it'll be 100 or 0.
Okay.
100 or 0, yeah. So look, as an example, the reason why I bought this odd USD is why? Because look, when it came here, this black
Okay.
line, I put it there, and look, I go to my settings, yeah. Now look,
Okay.
what is the nearest? So this 0.71119, yeah. What is
Yes.
the nearest quarter point to these last 3 digits? What is the nearest?
For a buy, right? Okay, that would be 25. Okay, say 250, 250.
Perfect. 250. Enter.
Okay.
Now look, can you see it? Perfect. Can you see how it came here? Or
Exactly.
that same say what's it? Sorry, I'm on the wrong chart. 4 hour. Yeah, that same quarter point.
Yes.
That same quarter point, look, on the 4 hour, if I put it here on a 4 hour, yeah, quarter point. So this 0.71092, what is the nearest quarter point? Nearest.
Okay, that would be 01000.
Yes, fantastic. 00. Okay. So look, can you see how the market has not touched my quarter point? Can you see?
Yes.
Okay. Now I'll be honest with you guys. When the market hasn't touched it, I'm not really interested. But look, if I try the other one, so look, I put it there in the same place. If I try the other quarter point, so look here, settings. Now, what's the nearest one other than 0.71000? What's the next one?
Okay, that would be 0.7125. Sorry, 0.71250.
Yes, 250. Enter. Okay, look, now when I enter, perfect. The market has touched my quarter point. Then I go down to the 30 minute. Can you see the market going up? Hey.
Exactly.
30 minutes, yeah? So look, 30
Yeah.
minutes. Now, when I go down, all I'm waiting for is very simple. There's no emotion. All I'm waiting for is my MACD to cross. Can you see my MACD crossed here? Look. See, can you see how this blue line crossed above these orange dots? So look.
Okay, yeah, that was a sign for a reversal, right?
No, I don't say reversal. This is not reversal. This is retracement.
Okay, retracement. Okay,
Yeah.
so okay.
So I'll show you. So look, if I go to the 4 hour again, let me show you. So look, can you see how the market has come up and come down?
Yes.
Yeah. So can you see how the market it was down here, it came up and came down. This down is not a reversal down. This down is a retracement down.
Okay.
Now, if this down crossed below this 200, that will be a reversal because the market is reversing from an uptrend to a downtrend. Do you understand?
Okay.
That is the only time when that will be a reversal. So, for instance, now the market is above this 200. Yeah. If I sold here If I sold here down to here, that is a reversal.
Okay.
Sorry, not reversal. Sorry, that is counter trend.
Retracement.
My bad. That is counter trend trading. Because why? Because
Okay, counter.
sorry, go on. Oh, I thought you wanted to ask something. Okay. Here,
That's
if
fine.
you sell here, this is counter trend. Now, why is it counter trend? Because the trend is above the 200. So this is an uptrend. Look, it's an uptrend now. Look,
Exactly, it is.
uptrend. So if you try and sell here, yes, the market came down, but it's risky. This is counter trend. When it's above, all I'm looking for is buys. Look, buys. All I'm looking for is buys. But how do I know? But how do I know that this is a buy? You buy low and you sell high. It's very simple. Even if you're investing in property, the best time to buy property is when the market is low. Why?
Low.
Because if you buy low, there's more chance of what? Capital appreciation. So if you buy low here, how do I know that this is a low? Simple. My MACD. Look,
Your
red.
MACD, your MACD, I saw that.
Yes, it's red and red. Simple.
Okay.
Guys, that's literally how that's literally it, man. That's literally how I trade. Literally. There's no secret indicators or nothing like that. Look, I use MACD, I use two MACDs. This stochastic, anyway, this stochastic and RSI is just there for show. I can delete it. I didn't even use it.
Oh,
It's just there for show.
you don't use that. I use this stochastic and the RSI most times, and then
Yeah. You can use it, but it's not really necessary. But the reason why
okay.
it'll be okay to use is because look, when it's down here, that obviously indicates that it's oversold. So if it's if it's oversold and you see this, then you know okay. So if it's oversold, it indicates that yes, the market is about to go in a not go in, but continue with the uptrend. You understand?
Okay.
Because obviously it's
Yeah.
oversold. But remember, all you're waiting for is the MACD to cross on a lower time frame anyway. Does that make sense? Yeah.
Yeah, it does.
Yeah,
It does.
That's literally it, man. That's literally it.
Okay. All right.
Any more questions or?
Crosses above. And,
Even this market here, I know. I just know. I know. Look. This red here, it can come all the way down to here. But I know.
yeah.
But I know ultimately it has to come to this 750 because this is where the banks are looking at right now. I know. Look. If it came all the way down, even like right here, near my top loss, I'm not scared. Because I know
Okay.
ultimately it had to come to this 750. Why? Because it broke past my what? My 250. And also look. On my 4-hour.
Yep.
My 4-hour. Look, my ceiling. The only ceiling that is here is where? Right here on top here. This is my ceiling now.
There. Exactly.
Now look, if I get my green line and put it to my ceiling, what am I looking for? Quarter point. Settings.
Quarter point.
Now 866. What is the nearest quarter point to this?
750.
Perfect. 750. Enter. Now, where is it? Exactly where my take profit is.
Exactly. Exactly.
So this one here, there's two. So if you put it here, you can choose 750, or you can choose 72000. So look, 72123 Okay. Look, it can be either one, but I'd rather do it at a one whereby it's still close to this ceiling.
Okay.
Because here is no man's land. Here, with that 750, it's closer.
Yeah.
See, look, this is my ceiling. Can you see how it's still close to my ceiling?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, and that's why and that's why I took it.
Okay. Okay.
Simple, man.
Okay. Okay. This is nice. I love this.
And even
Okay, and
sorry. Last thing. Even let's do black. Let's do. So this is 250. This black line here is 250. Yeah, this black line here is 250. This green line is 750. Let's delete. So okay, 250 and 750. Where's the midpoint? 500. So let's see.
500.
Yeah. So look, 500. So look. So look, this market, because now look, it seems like it's coming down a bit. If it comes down, I guarantee you any money, it will come down and test this 500. It might even come below it a bit, but it will continue going up. Look to the left. Look to the left. Can you see how I look?
Yes.
Respected here. Respected here.
Yes. It's true. That's true.
You know it's respected when this area is either a ceiling or a floor. Look, this ceiling. Why? The market came down, hit it, and then went down. This is a ceiling. Over here is the floor. Why? The market came down, bounced, and came up. So
And came up.
yeah, so here's a floor. So I know that this area is respected. So this market, see, look, do you see it coming down? Normally, if it comes down, people get scared. Okay, look, let me just take my profits. Take my profits.
Yeah.
No,
It's true.
no. You gotta chill, man. If it comes down, I'm not scared. It might come down and it might play about around this 500 and come up again.
500 and then come up again.
Yeah.
Okay.
Why? Because the banks are looking in the same place. Well, guys, yeah, that's my piece, man.
Yeah.
Any more
All
questions?
right. Thank you very, very much for this.
No worries, man. Any more questions, guys, or does that all make sense?
Hey, Don.
Yo, who's that?
How you doing? Sam here. Sam Nyamu here.
Oh, Sam, you right, Sam? How you doing, man? You right?
I'm fine, thank you. I was out for a while.
Oh, no,
I'm back.
Fine, man.
Yeah, I've seen you've been doing a very nice job there.
Cheers, man. Thank you, man. Thank you. But Sam,
Yeah, so how is it going? Yeah.
Yeah, I recorded it. Whenever finish the call, I'll just try and send it to you.
Yeah, that would be fine. I've also learned something new on the quotas or something. Yeah, so I'll be trying to backtest on that.
Sam. You know this quarter.
Yeah, so that is fine.
Sam, you know quarter points. It's like a cheat code.
Yeah.
It's like a cheat code, man. Sam, no, Sam, honestly, man, Sam, the banks use these numbers. The banks use these numbers, man. If you go to YouTube.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. YouTube, one second.
Yeah, because on the other strategy, most of the things we are doing the same thing, like exactly the same thing.
Sorry?
But I think we have some differences on the quotas or something. Yeah. So maybe I'll try to backtest on that too. I also need to learn on that.
Yeah, Sam, listen. The only thing that I do differently from you is the fact that I only take trades for instance, a buy. I'll only take because I've noticed sometimes you trade counter trend. Sam.
Yeah, sure. And also that is not like that is my style of trading. I think it's based on the indiscipline part. So sometimes you get in discipline and you want to take a trade that does not even meet your criteria. So it's not like I trade counter trade. I just love following the trend. That's it. I just look at the 200 moving average. That is the base.
Yeah.
And then I snipe the entries on the hidden divergence and the small regular divergence.
Literally.
So all the counter trends, they are not like that. They are not like my style of trading. It's maybe some sort of indiscipline or something.
Because I know sometimes I know people they might take a counter trend trade because they might not have a setup for that day.
Yeah, sure, exactly.
Nah, man. So, listen, if there's no setup,
especially
I sit on my hands. I sit on my hands, man.
Yeah.
Literally. If there's no setup, I'm not taking any trade. My capital shall be protected.
Yeah, for sure. That is very keen, in fact.
Seriously, man.
You sometimes, especially when you're married to like one pair, so
Yeah.
like I'm married to GBPSD, it's very disastrous sometimes.
Yeah.
Since when you don't get, sometimes you get very good opportunities, then maybe you take them, make money all along. Then once the market gets into consolidation, you're not making money anymore. So you have to either wait or force some trades.
Definitely.
And when you do that, you definitely lose money. So from now onwards, I just want to keep on checking on every single pair. I'm not going to be married to one single pair anymore.
Yeah, I know some people in other groups or whatever. Listen, today is Tuesday and it's only 12. Sorry, Wednesday.
Yeah.
Wednesday. And
Yeah.
it's only 12. Some people have taken like more than 15 trades already this week. More than 15. Me, 3.
Wow.
Right now, this is my 4th.
Yeah.
I don't know how people do that, man. For me,
that is over trading.
Too much
and
stress,
it will definitely kill your account.
Yeah, man. Too much stress.
Yeah.
15 trades in 15 trades in 3 days. Nah, man.
Most of the time, I normally take maybe one trade a day, or maybe at most. I never go beyond 3 trades a day. So if I make money on the first one, the second one, I'm okay taking the third one. If I lose on the first and the second, I'm not taking any more trade for the day. I just stay on the sideline.
And guys,
so that is part of my discipline. And most of the time, you find that I can even have a string of losses, maybe on Monday, Tuesday.
Yeah.
Maybe 2 losses on Monday, 2 losses on Tuesday. Then on Wednesday, the first trade I take will cover all the losses, and I'm back in profits for the week.
Exactly.
So part of the risk management is very, very important.
Yeah, definitely. And that's why I was saying to everyone, even though everyone will ask me, what should I risk? What you should risk is important. It's important. But guys, listen, if you're looking to pass FDMO challenge, guys, you get 10%. Listen, if you focus on 10%, it will put you off. Just focus on 3% per week. That's it. Because 3% per week times is 12.
That's too small. Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
3%? No.
Yeah.
No, because listen, if you're doing FTMO, you have to make 10% a month. Yeah. So
by the end of the challenge,
yeah. So if your target is 3% per week, after 4 weeks, how much do you make? 12%. So challenge passed.
Yeah, for sure.
Challenge passed.
Yeah, in 4 weeks.
In 4 weeks.
Sure.
So for instance, if today's Tuesday, as an example. Sorry. On Monday, if I make if I make 1.5% on Monday, and I make 1.5 on Tuesday, I'm done for the week. Why? I made
sure.
Seriously, man.
Yeah, if you have 10K, 100, let's say 100K.
Yeah.
3% is like
$3 grand. Look.
Yeah, 3 grand.
Okay, Sam. So right now, my account, I'm up £1,275.
Yeah.
And it's
on your share, on your 70%, right?
Exactly, yeah. On my FMO account.
Okay.
But by the end of what we in now, August, September. By the end of September, I'll have 300K easily. 300K.
Yeah.
Listen.
Yeah. And that's fine.
I'll have 300. And guys, listen. Every person in this group can have the same thing. I'm telling you, man. Everyone.
Yeah, for sure. That was in fact my main goal when I created the group. My main goal was like to teach all the people how I trade, and then we can all snipe. Like every single person can have 2 pairs that they normally focus on. So every time you see an opportunity, you drop it on the group. Then a different person drops a different opportunity, but based on the same entire, like the same strategy. Yeah. Having everyone focused on the same strategy. Yeah. So with that, you can have a flow of opportunities every single day.
Exactly. But Sam, guess what? This strategy, it works on every pair. But I would say,
yeah, sure.
But I only use it on Forex pairs. I don't use it on gold. I don't use it on US. Yeah. I only use it on Forex. I don't use it on anything else.
Yeah. I think on gold is just better if you just use the key levels.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
Yeah, no, normally gold is so volatile and maybe does not follow this strategy or any other indicator-based strategies.
And I'll be honest with you, you know when it comes to quarter points, I don't really understand the quarter points on gold. Because you know the gold, you know the figures are a bit different.
Yeah, the figures are different here.
I need to find out a way to look into the quarter points on gold. But Sam, you know all this gold and what everyone says. Listen, if you're trading gold or you're trading all USD and you're making 1% and it's a 2-to-1, you're still gonna make that 2%, whether it's on gold, whether it's on old.
Yeah.
This is why I don't understand why people are picky when it comes to forex.
Yeah, for sure. That's true.
Strange, man. Strange.
Yeah.
Because
I think you get used to whatever you started with.
Yeah.
So like the very first time when I started trading, I just started with GBPUSD, USD, and I think I liked them. I just understood how they move every single time. So most of the time, take advantage of the London session breakouts. Yeah, so I think I just wanted to stick to one thing. So instead of like every single morning try to scan on like 20 pairs.
Yeah, it's true. It's true.
But having different people focusing on different pairs, that is a good thing, since you'll have several eyes on different things. So it's like you having focusing on different things, but you're still focusing on a few things.
Yeah, exactly. True.
Yeah.
True. And obviously,
so
if that person gives
maybe
we'll trust their judgment because everyone's trading the same.
Yeah. So maybe we can just at some point maybe you can just tell everyone who wants to maybe purchase the FTMO, you can just purchase the challenge, and then we can do it all together.
Yeah, because
if they want to.
I don't understand why are people putting $100 in their accounts. There is no point.
Yeah.
There is no.
And the challenge is only 180.
No, 120. Is it 180 now?
It's 120 now.
No.
Yeah, I think it's 180.
Okay. What for 10K?
Yeah. It's 155 pounds, which is like $180.
Oh yes, you're right. Yes, you're right. You're right.
Yeah. So I think at some point maybe we can do that with everyone.
But the only thing is, Sam. The only thing is, I don't want to. I don't want people to take signals to pass the FTMO, because that way.
Yeah. It's dangerous.
Very dangerous. It's a false economy, man.
Yeah.
False economy.
Yeah.
Literally.
Yeah.
False economy. But yeah, man. But yeah, this is recorded. So what I'll do is after this call, I'll just send it over to you. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, man.
Or you can just drop it on the group, or maybe I can even drop it on YouTube as well.
Yeah, actually, yeah. What I'll do is I'll drop it in the group.
Okay.
But how would I send it to my, because this is my laptop. All this stuff. I don't.
You can just have your Telegram on your laptop.
Oh yeah. Okay. Fair enough. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, just download it there.
Yeah. Okay,
and then you can send from there.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Anyway, guys, we'll catch up soon, man.
Yeah.
Okay. Take care, man. Take care.
Take care, man.